Alright guys, so we have here is a GE dishwasher. It is black. And I'm doing this for my neighbor, actually. He had a stainless and now he kept the door, and he would like for me to remove the black stainless door and put the stainless door on his black dishwasher. Okay, so that's the stainless and that's the black. So we'll see what we have. Sometimes you can't because GE is weird like that, but all the controls are the same. The only thing I'm seeing different here is you do have a vent there. This guy might vent elsewhere, which would not hurt. So we shall see. Same door switch. No, he vents right there. There's his vent. He's not as nice, but we're going to transfer all these racks. They're beautiful in this unit, and basically the same unit. It does have the top rack. So when this was a new unit, it was fancy. It's the Dora Sears. So super nice machine. We're gonna flip it over, pull the door off, and insert this one on. Now, all right guys, so we have the stainless door here on the left, and we have the black on the right. Okay. To remove the outer skin, see that screw there? It's gone. Okay. And that one there is also removed. So is that one. And that one there. So now we're gonna pull the skin, the outer piece, down away from the shell. I need 2 hands for that though. All right guys, make sure you remove those as well, okay, from both of them. Because now you're pulling this piece forward and this is attached to the back. So you wanna make sure you push those down somewhat and then you can pull this down. Okay. If you have someone to help you, great. If not, you can do it by yourself. Just tap. Okay. You can see it separating already. And just keep tapping her. She will come down. Okay, I think we just separated it. It used to be there. Now we're gonna transfer, we might have to transfer this to the other door, maybe. But I don't think we need to because he vents from the bottom. So the dishwasher should be fine because it's gonna vent from the bottom where it normally vents anyways. We gotta clean this up. Check your wires, make sure everything is good, no kink or anything. That's the user. So now you see those arrows or whatever those tabs are. So when you put it on, you will do the same and everything slides into place right there, right along there. So we leave this door off and on now to take this guy off. And same thing again, we're gonna set this piece on something and just tap. You do have 2 screws there and 2 there. And since I'm not keeping this cover, I don't need it, so we're gonna use a hammer and the adjustable, and we're gonna just tap it. I'll leave you guys right there, you'll see when. All right guys, so we've made progress. You can see the separation. So the door has separated. Okay, this one took a little while. Let me flip it over like I have the other one. It's much easier to work with and keeps everything together. All right, there's the cover. Okay, so we're only using the skin, but we might have a problem because we need the hinge, and that hinge is on this outer cover. So more modification than I was expecting. Let's see. We might have to take this left hinge and transfer it to here. Looks like we have enough room. And we can, and that will complete the repair. We'll definitely need to do that. If not, we can't do the transfer. So let's find our 1/4 inch socket. And we're going to keep left to left and right to right. That's the left side. All right, so this guy will go under this, and perfect alignment. So you can do the transfer. It's, you know, it just depends on what you want to do. Sometimes if you don't want to rebuy another dishwasher, and let's say you do have another dishwasher that wasn't working, but it doesn't match your decor, you just change the front. You got a new dishwasher. Okay, so this comes out because now he's replacing that with this, okay? And you slide this under here. As you can see, everything lines up just fine. You even have another hole there for your bottom. There it is. Yep. If you're not totally sure, you can always leave it in until you get it out, so that you're sure that everything goes back the way it goes, or the way it's supposed to. Alright guys, that part is done. You don't need this. That was a brace, okay? That goes with the old unit. Alright guys, I'll show you the next step. Alright guys, so had to do a little more work than intended. So this whole piece was on this door, and I did not want to use this piece because it was pretty beat up and dirty, and the top was black. So I had to basically transfer the vent over, and it has all the plugins and whatnot, so we're good there. That should plug right in. I need some light. Makes a world of difference. Alright, that's in. That's the vent. Had to cut a piece out. Okay, now this is in. All we gotta do now is put the door on. This one on the other one, we don't need it. That's our connector. That's good. Everything looks good. Alright, it's got a slider door on. This was a little dirty. I cleaned it out somewhat. And you should be happy with this. Hope so. Alright, next step is the door. And then we're gonna put her on the machine. Alright guys, so installation time. Now, you have those tabs, and you want to make sure they're all down on it. Okay, good. Good. Okay, now what you're gonna do, you can put one foot here and one hand up here, and basically just push up, and she will lock into place. Make sure everything goes under here, otherwise it's gonna be, you know, hanging up. A little push. All right, one side is on. So we got this side. I'm gonna use my rubber mallet and just give it a slight tap. Beautiful, beautiful, nice seal. So now we have a stainless door to transfer. Now we got to remember to put our screws in. We have one there and one here, and same thing there and up there, and then we can transfer I can put this door on. This gets plugged back into the computer once it's connected, and your vent is relocated. So everything should be good. All right, next step is when it's on the machine. All right, guys. Right now she's draining. Just got her done. Gonna do a tub clean. Beautiful. And as you can see, that's a stainless machine now, but it was not earlier. All right, thanks for watching.